Hello everyone, this is Mama Liu's kitchen. Today I'm going to make a Spanish glass noodle salad. Let's start. The noodle we're going to boil and make sure not too long time. After that, we put in the cold water to rinsing and to drain and put on side ready for use. The spinach we need to stir fry about a few seconds, not too long time. And then we put on side, waiting cool down a little bit, and drain off the juice from the vegetable, and they're ready for use. Now it's ready for serving. Looks very great. And this is a healthy dish. And I hope everybody enjoy it. We'll see you for next time. Thank you for your watching.